Welcome back to Stock Talk Trades. We are covering VeChain in this video. If you haven't already subscribed, consider subscribing. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and I would like to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of June. It's a big goal. It's a big goal. My birthday's at the end of the month, so if we could hit that, that would be awesome. Thank you guys so much. I am actually giving away $100 at 1,000 subscribers, so I will be giving you guys birthday money if I get any money. We're going to be covering VeChain, but if you haven't, I am actually partnered with Alpha Day Trading. We send out this morning stock newsletter. Every single day, you get the stocks that have the biggest news. You get a watch list from six-figure traders. You also find out what stocks are moving on the day. This is all for free, so if you're interested, check the link in the description below. You get the previous day gainers and the earnings calendar. So it's a great value all for free. Let's get right back into it. So we're on the weekly chart. We actually did break below this 21 EMA, but again, we can't hold this level. So we are actually going to pull up and break above this 21 EMA. Again, if we go ahead and look at the total altcoin market in the past, we had a, If we look at Ethereum, you can see we pulled up, broke below the 21 EMA, and continue to push before we actually break above. I can actually see that happening again here. We pulled back sharply, broke above, and now are continuing to push up. I do think we will see a strong pattern from VeChain. I don't think it'll hit $1.50 like everyone's saying, but it very well could. Let's go and take a peek at some Fibonacci levels. See, there it's not respecting any Fibonacci levels, so I can't really use it. But if we go and draw a trend line here, I guess we are finding support on that, and I do want us to actually continue to stay above this 21 EMA and actually respect this level. We do have some resistance at that 14-cent level. We're going to go ahead and take a day and look at a daily chart to see where, see boom, 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 boom. So if we can break above that in the 21 EMA, that would be very, very good, but it's not looking good just because we do actually have a bullish pennant or bearish pennant, excuse me. So that's an 80-20 setup, 80% to the downside. But we can hopefully this time break it and continue to push up on this uptrend. I love that they have a huge future. So I do expect VeChain to be super big in the future, considering they help with they're like Google Authenticator almost, but on the blockchain, and a lot of people are going to use it because the Google Authenticator, Google has that power to be like, you're not going to be able to log into your thing. No one has the power of VeChain. It's decentralized. So once people start using VeChain, once more companies start using VeChain because it's safer than Google, then that's when it's going to really take off, and that's when it's going to absolutely explode. So I'm just loading up on VeChain right now. I'm going to continue to buy more and more. Ideally, I want to have 100,000 VeChain. That's my goal. So I'm just buying. That's exactly what I'm going for. And hold 100,000 VeChain for the long term, since it's so small right now. Like, it's crazy. But thank you guys so much for watching, and if you haven't already, consider subscribing. It helps out the channel, and you can stay up to date on your favorite cryptos. I like keeping these pretty short, because especially if they don't respect the Fibonacci levels. There's not much to talk about, and I don't want to overcomplicate things with more indicators, the RSI, MACD. I don't really like using those as our lagging indicators, even though it does, because you can generally see what in the price action where the MACD and RSI are. So that if you ever wondered why I don't use those indicators, that is why. But thank you guys so much for watching, and if you haven't already, peace and have a good one.